Hello, my name is George. Today we are talking about absolute value and absolute value equations. What is the absolute value in math? Look, you often can see the sign, two vertical bars, something like that. These two bars means expression absolute value of x. What does it mean? According to definition, to formal definition, it's very important. Absolute value of x is x if x more or equal to 0 and minus x if x is negative. What does it mean? Imagine we are the computer or robot and we should calculate the absolute value of any expressions or any figure. First should I do is check what is the sign of the expressions which are inside the bars. Look, imagine we are looking for absolute value of 5. We're checking, is 5 more than 0 or equal to 0? Yes, it's more than 0. It means we should apply line number 1. So absolute value of 5 is 5 itself. Another case, absolute value of minus 6. First check, is minus 6 less than 0? Yes, minus 6 is negative, it's less than 0. So we should apply line number 2. We should put minus and then put what's inside the bar, minus 6. Minus before minus give us positive, so the answer is 6, positive 6. So this is a formal approach to the matter of absolute value. Now let's solve some absolute value equations. Let's do it simplest one. For instance, 2x plus 1 absolute value equal 5. We are looking the x in which this expression will be true. We don't know the sign. We are looking for it. So anytime we use approach of splitting the equations with absolute value, we split it to two regular equations. We make this splitting and illuminate the bars. First, we use line number 1. 2x plus 1 equal 5. Another part of the splitting is 2x plus 1 equal minus 5. The solution of both equations will give us final solution and we should combine it. Let's solve it. 2x equal 5 minus 1. We transfer this one with opposite sign to the right side, and it means it's 2x equal 4 and 2x equal 4 and x equal 4 over 2 is 2. It's our first solution. Let's solve another equations. 2x equal, we transfer plus 1 to the opposite side with opposite sign, so it will be minus 5 minus 1. 2x equal minus 6 and x equal negative 3. It's our second solution, and these are both two solutions, which are solution of our absolute value equations, number 1. Okay, thank you for watching. We continue to solve these solutions, which much more difficult, but anyway, thank you.